Question number 14, it's saying solve the quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. Enter your answers as a comma-separated list. If there is no real solution, then enter no real solution. So let's take a look at our question here. We have 2x squared minus 7x minus 8, which is equal to 0. So we first need to identify what does a represent. Well, a represents the leading coefficient here, which is 2. B represents negative 7, and C represents negative 8. Now step 3, we're going to use the quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula is x, which is equal to negative b, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now we're going to plug those values in. So we have x, which is equal to negative. Now the value of b is negative 7. Plus or minus, we're going to take b, which is negative 7, and then square it. Minus 4 times the value of a, which is 2, times the value of c, which is negative 8, divided by 2 times a, which is 2. So now we're going to use order of operations. So a negative times a negative is going to give us a positive 7. Plus or minus the square root of, well, negative 7 squared is 49. We have a negative times a negative, which is going to be a positive. And so 8 times 8 is going to give us 64 all over the value of 4. So now let's go ahead and then add under the radical. So we're going to get x is equal to 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 plus 64 is 113 over 4. We can't break that down any further. So we have two solutions. We have 7 plus the square root of 113 over 4, 7 minus the square root of 113 over 4.